Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. You know, we do so many repairs. This is just one of them. And you can see what we've got here is PVC connected to corrugated. And the PVC is actually a French drain. You can see the water coming out at the bottom of that pipe. What we've got to do here is cut this open so we can actually clean the line. And just take a look. Real simple. Take your hacksaw, cut a piece of it off. This is to gain access so we can send a cable down the line. And it's very important to maintain these systems. If you do not clean your French drain every 3 to 5 years, your French drain will fail. It's that simple. And you can kind of see what's going on here. We've got perforated pipe surrounded by gravel. It had fabric all around it. It makes no difference. You need to clean this drain. The reason we're cleaning this drain is because a root system has gotten into the PVC section of this pipe, and that is the French drain. Roots will find a way to get through almost anything. Have you ever seen your concrete lift up from a root? We need to send this cable down through that PVC drain and clean out this pipe. It's just that simple, and it's something that we recommend that you do every 3 to 5 years. The most common root is actually from your sod, from your grass. It seeks that water and penetrates through everything. Fabric, stone, pipe, concrete. A simple drain clean can easily solve these problems and keep your system open for many, many years. Once you've finished cleaning the line, now it's time to put this system back together. And there's several different ways that you can make this repair. Take a look. Okay, a couple of ways that we can make this repair. The easiest way is to use this 4-inch. The easiest way is to use this 4-inch no hub. And it's just like you've seen me put onto the sump pump with 1.5-inch pipe, but this is 4x4. And it's cast iron to cast iron or cast iron to PVC. It's a little larger than the thin wall. Take a look. But you slide it onto your pipe, giving it plenty of room. We can use the piece we cut out to get it started. Then we just slide it back on. We'll tighten up those 2 little bands and it's ready to go. That's the easiest way. But say you can't find this, say you don't have that. Let me show you another way. This is called a slip coupling, and it works exactly the same as the 4-inch no hub. So this would slide over the pipe, and you can slide it all the way back to here, put that piece of pipe in, and then you just wiggle this tight onto your piece of pipe. That works as well. But say you don't have one of those. So this is a 4-inch SDR piece. It's got a bell on it. But what I'm going to do is cut the bell off to make a slip coupling. So this would be a slip coupling. You know that. Notice that it's smooth inside. There's nothing inside of here, right? So you can easily slide it on, just like the no hub. No hub can slide over the pipe. This is a little tougher, but in a pinch, it works great. You can see how I can slide it back. Then I can take our piece, put it in with a little bit of work, because it's tight. I can slide it over and make a perfect connection. This is the cheapest way to do it. And again, I like to do it this way, although I would prefer to use a slip coupling. That works a little bit better. But in a pinch, cut the bell off of your PVC, thin wall PVC. You made a slip coupling. Piece of cake. So you can see there's lots of different ways to do this, lots of different fittings. Here's an exterior coupling, snaps onto both pieces. Showed you this. This is an adapter. It goes from 3-inch to 4-inch, also from corrugated. It snaps all in place. Another adapter.
This is able to go from 4-inch corrugated, see the little bumps inside? That can go from 4-inch corrugated to 3 or 4-inch. It just slides up on there. Piece of cake, lots of different ways to do this. And further, you could also put a catch basin in here. And I've showed you just a recent video about how to install this catch basin. Because it's a T, it works really good. And again, it depends on your application.
Adding the catch basin to your French drain will increase the life of the French drain, and it will pick up the immediate surface water. In other words, the water that's sitting on top of the ground. That's what needs to be collected more than anything else. Adding this catch basin is very simple. Take a look.
Okay, so what we're doing is we're adding a double outlet catch basin to an existing line. I've done this many times, but it's a great little video to show you how to do this. Let me get on the other side so you can see it better. Basically, we're making a measurement. Remember that pipe's going to slide inside. There's a coupling in here. This pipe slides in this side. We're making that measurement to inside of the coupling. So right here, cut it off. Pretty easy. We're going to make the same measurement on the other side. Remember, it's inside the coupling, so it's going to look like it's short. Perfect. So you can see it looks like it won't fit, but it will. Let's go ahead and we'll do this side first. Sorry about the noise from the airplane. We're close to the Orlando airport. We'll just pop them together. Did that take very long? Not at all. And yeah, it doesn't cost a lot to do this, whether you pay somebody or you do it yourself. So now we're just going to set the catch basin grate back on the top. And we're going to backfill the area. We're also going to kind of move some of this soil so that it can actually drop into the basin. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.